Okay, so this is the other order that I got. I ordered some stuff for Maurlee, and I don't think, well, I know she didn't know that I got this for her, so we're gonna open this real quick.
They could be cases. They could be anything. Let's just.
Say it again.
So I'm just gonna open this package.
Are you struggling?
I'm struggling. So I'm gonna say I got a show. I will like it. It has hands, crisscross, like two.
How about you just open them all and then show?
And
Oh, get the other ones out. I'm gonna help you. Hold on, cause I think you're struggling just a little bit.
No. So I have this show here. I don't really know what this is, but sunny times. So sunny interest times. So it's long sleeves.
All of these are long sleeve shirts
for the winter.
For your fall and winter, yes.
Yeah. So a rainbow. Because sometimes you see rainbow. This is just how it is. And then we have another one
that says Fierce Girl. This is my favorite shirt. I like this one.
Yeah, it feels so cozy. Imagine how it would be when you're wearing it.
Exactly. Okay.
So then I have this pretty white show. So you see it traced the letters. So best.
You know that word?
Best.
You saying it, aren't you?
Best self.
Okay, don't second guess. You know it. Come on, good job. All right, let's see the other one.
And then we have this black show. It's really pretty. So thumbs. So it has. See, thumbs up.
It's different
Heart.
sign languages and different symbols. Peace, love, and luck.
So you have heart, 2 thumbs up, cross, thumbs up.
Cute.
And then.
All right, come on, next one.
This. Okay. So that's really pretty. And then here's the last, final one. I really like it.
I don't know. Do you know how to say that word? That's kind of tricky.
What?
Future. You should be able to read the last word.
Future.
What does that say?
Lead.
And what does that say? What does ER say?
Oh.
Okay, so.
Leader.
Okay.
So,
future leader.
Future leader.
Good job. So those are your shirts.
Show.
Yeah. And so we'll get more later, but for right now I needed to have you some to start off just in case it decides to give us some cool weather. But I think these are nice.
Yeah.
And Maurlee is 6 years old, but she normally can wear like a 5 in shirts because she's so tiny. But I don't know how, I guess I wanted to make it so she could wear it for a little while. So I went ahead and got the small instead of the extra small. So that's 6'7" in Old Navy. But yeah, she wanted to do her own little unboxing haul, her mini shopping. She likes doing videos as well.
See if we have any more hangers.
But yeah, so I guess that's it. Tell them about Maurlee so we can go ahead and wrap this up.
Bye. Let's see if we have any hangers in the closet.
Okay.
Bye.